What's up, guys? My name is Donny Emler Jr. from a company called Fmf Racing. In 1973, my dad started this company called Fmf in his garage in Hawthorne, California. And today we're going to take you guys on a little tour on my dad's 90,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. So follow me. So what we do here at Fmf Racing is we're the only company in Southern California that produces everything under one roof. So we have all American material, and everything that you see, the finished goods, are produced right here under one warehouse. And it's kind of what's made us number one. And since 1973, my dad's been building all this stuff hands-on. And here we are. So let's go take a tour and show you guys what's up. Well, guys, my dad, Donny Emler, in 1973, in his garage, started building two-stroke pipes. Today, two-strokes are kind of a thing of a past, but we still believe truly in two-stroke market. As you can see, we're building tons and tons of two-stroke products still, all the way back to 1986. Here's kind of the finished good. This is what this weird thing looks like. And today, it's a lot of four-stroke technology, and we're still leading the way in two-stroke and four-stroke technology in the marketplace. So here we are in our two-stroke department. This is you've seen how they've been stamped out, what's in my hand, and now we're going to take you through and show you how they get welded. 38 years ago, my dad was hand welding them, and we're still doing that to the day here. So let's go over there and see what's going on. So behind me, as you can see, every two-stroke and every product that we make has a jig, and the jig is to align the product exactly how it would fit on the motorcycle. So what they're doing here is they're taking the pieces of the two-stroke pipe, put him into the jig, and they finish welding him inside the jig so it assures the perfect fit every time. Here we go. So all the way back to 1986 is what we currently make product for here at Fmf. And as you can see behind me, like I mentioned, every product has to have a jig. And you can see that we have mountains of jigs here at Fmf. So if you need something back for your 1986 CR500, we got the part for you. All right, well, here we're in the back of the manufacturing facility in the stamping department. We have these huge presses that just stamp anything we want out of metal. We take flat pieces of American material, such as this stainless steel, stamps it into pieces like this, really odd shapes for different types of bikes, whether it's our road racing bikes or straight to production to the finished good. And like I said, everything here is done 100% in-house, so it makes things really easy for us to get stuff done and in the consumer's hands a lot quicker. So there's your finished good. Trying to track down the man, the myth, the legend, Big D, but I just can't seem to find him anywhere, so we're still on the lookout. If you guys see him, let me know. We've started running out of room here at Fmf, so we built these mezzanines on the second level to store product and jigs. And so I guess it's a good thing that we're running out of room, but everything's just a little tight. Big D keeps buying more equipment, and yeah, it's gonna be good. Well, here at Fmf, we go through tons and tons of different kinds of metal: titanium, aluminum, stainless steel, and behind me you can just see some of it. This is a coil of titanium. It's worth about $75,000. Titanium's super lightweight, really expensive, but we use a lot of it here at Fmf to ensure that people are getting the best with our products. You buy something at Fmf, you're gonna get the best material on earth, so check it out. I mentioned that we use a lot of titanium here. This is a piece of titanium tubing that we rolled right here in-house, and it's pretty lightweight. This is 12-foot rod of titanium, and it's like a feather. So lightweight's where it's at for dirt bikes, and you got to have it. The most exotic Fmf piece of material right here. Right now we're in Fmf's machine shop. It's a little noisy in here. This is just one other element to incorporate everything under one roof here that we do. And these machines do all precision parts out of aluminum. This is where we also build all of our own tooling. So come on, let's check it out, and we'll show you how we do some really integral pieces. So start off as a block of aluminum, and we turn it into this fine piece of art right here for a mount for one of our four-stroke exhausts. All right, well, we're gonna do one more attempt to try to track down my dad. We'll see what happens. Let's go check this out. My dad's car's here, so I know he can't be far. So we gotta figure out how we can rope him in to get in front of the camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna page him from his own office and tell him we got someone important here to see him. So let's try that. Yo.
Yes.
What's going on?
What are you doing?
I'm in your office.
Okay.
We got the, we've been looking for you everywhere. You been hiding?
No, I'm doing part numbers for next year.
Oh, okay. All right, well, we'll come find you.
What for?
So we got a camera crew.
We got a camera crew, but we got a meeting going, so what do you want me to do? Going back?
No, it's all right. We'll come find you later.
Okay.
Get back to work. He's so nervous. So no one normally doesn't really get to see this part of the shop. We're kind of in the machine shop right now, and behind me is kind of the graveyard. This is where if you're a machine that you just ain't kicking it anymore, this is where you get shoveled off to in the back. So this is our graveyard of equipment, and yeah, you're not making the cut, you get shoved out to the back. So when new models come in, this is kind of the first place they go. This is our R&D Bay area. This is where the first product gets fitted onto any application that we have, whether it's a street bike, a race bike like the Michael Jordan Suzuki in the background right here, or Ryan Villaputto's factory Kawasaki. This is where it all starts. This is where our lead engineers come and mock up the bikes, and then we take it into our dyno room and see how it performs. 100% pure horsepower. So you've kind of taken a little bit of a tour around FMF and you've seen how some stuff gets made. Right now we're in the assembly line. So these guys are taking different parts that we produced today and they're going to start assembling them right here. So here's a muffler for a 4-stroke. This has been assembled and packed and it's pretty much ready to go, but there's one more step. We got to weld this to this. And as you'll see over here, this will happen right here. So you guys got a really quick glimpse of FMF's manufacturing capabilities here, and you've seen how it's made. Here's a finished product ready to ship to a local dealer, and bolt on some horsepower. So this is FMF's sole warehouse. This ships all over the world right from this facility, and like I said, FMF is completely 100% under one roof, whether it's manufacturing, our shipping department, everything ships out of our SoCal factory right here. Never going home, never going. Okay, so I think I finally found Big D. I'm pretty sure he's been in the dyno room the whole time, so let's go check it out. Here we go! I know where to find them. Welcome to the Department of Power. Actually, this is our marketing office, but it's pretty powerful up here, so come on in. So we're up here in the marketing department, and I want to introduce you guys to some of our crew that makes this world tick. First up, we have our resident former ex-pro, Jeff Northrup. Jeff handles all of our supercross teams, our motocross teams, all of our off-road freestyle. Right over here is Jen Garfinkel. She handles all of our amateur athletes. She runs all the rider support. So make sure the trucks and all the FMF events are running in key. Okay guys, well thanks for stopping by the FMF state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. We're really excited to be working with La Jolla Group to take the same performance and manufacturing skills that we have here at the racing and to see what they can provide. They're the best in the business. We're going to inject that same performance mold right into the apparel line, and we're really excited, so check out a store near you very soon.